Yamaha T7. What a great bike. Absolutely love this thing. And one of the things that makes this such a great bike is its simplicity. There's no fancy computers or traction control or ride modes. You simply get on and go. With that said, the simplicity leaves a bit to be desired when it comes to luggage capabilities. You can see that there's 4 mounting points right here included from the factory. However, if you're looking at anything more than a simple day pack, you need some more anchor points in a rack. Thankfully, my friends over at NICECNC have hooked me up. Today I'm installing a rear cargo rack, grab handles, and side cargo carriers. Included in this kit are a seemingly infinite number of spacers. Obviously, we're not going to be using all of them. It also doesn't specify which component goes on first, but I'm going to take a stab and I'm going to put the rear cargo rack on first, the side one second, then lastly I'll top it with the grab handles. Either way, the first step is to remove these rear brackets, so let's get these off. The number 40 6-star bit. There's no instructions with this kit, but it's pretty intuitive. First thing I'm doing is putting on the arms to the rear rack. That way I'll know what distance I'll need for my spacers back here. So I got one on loosely, and I'm just putting on the second side here. We got the rear rack loosely assembled. You can see that it fits beautifully just right there. Now to find the correct spacers for these 4 mounting areas, and then a bolt long enough to go through all 3 of the components. Choosing the smallest spacers first. Comes with 4 of them. Let's see how these fit. So far so good. I think we'll stick with that. The smallest spacers work perfectly for just the rear rack. However, when you go to add on the side cargo racks, what's happening is it is running into the plastic before getting flush. So I'm going to jump up one size. That looks nice. Took a little bit of trial and error, but here's what I ended up doing. Take a look at my scenario here, my arrangement. I have the medium spacer set on the rear post, the largest spacer set on the front post, and then you can see that you have to have, the way that this handle is set up, you have to have this large spacer here, and the smallest one here. That's nice, it's better. I've got this lined up just so I wanted. Very sturdy, looks great. I gotta do the other side. Looking great so far. Last thing I'm going to do is add the rear supports for the side cargo racks. That's going to go right here on the passenger pegs. So I'm going to pull these off. And I'm done. God, it looks nice. Love that. It flows together so well, fits the bike perfectly. From a distance, you can hardly tell there's anything on here, but the added utility is undeniable. Love this. Look, the rack, very solid. Handlebars here, nicely situated. I can lift up the whole rear end of the bike, no problems. Love it. Coming down, when I get the side carrier, some cargo, I'm going to have extra protection here, plenty of places to lock them into. They are solid. Love it. Overall, I'm really impressed with the quality of this. All of the holes are perfectly drilled. There's no custom fitting necessary. Everything just slapped together. Now, a couple things I do wish. One, instructions would have been nice. It would have saved some time. I wouldn't have had to do the guessing and fiddling. It just would have been a look at the instructions, quick read, and then I could have got this on, probably saved myself 20 minutes or so. But honestly, it wasn't bad to get on. And then secondly, these side cargo carriers, they're nice. They're steel, so they got a little bit more weight than I'd like. This is aluminum. This is aluminum. I love that. If these side ones were aluminum, that would have been so much better. You would have saved some weight. Would have been nice, but honestly, it's not a huge deal, and they are going to hold up perfectly. Really excited to get to test this out. Thanks again to the guys over at NICECNC for sending these over. I'll leave a link in the description below to their website and link each product. Again, it's the rear rack, side handles, and the side rack. Thanks again for watching, guys. Take care.